Last one here. There it is. Ooh. That's a big one.
That's probably from like sitting at my desk.
Yeah, that desk jockey stuff.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Love it. That's that desk stuff too right there.
Yeah. I was like, what do I do all day long? So.
Mm-hmm. I go over here.